Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss either we can use Suno AI songs on YouTube or not. As you can see, I am on the official app official website of Suno AI on my laptop, and I have logged in my account, and this is a free account. I did not buy any premium subscription. So once you're logged in, I just click on this subscribe icon, and you will see all the plans: basic plan, pro plan, and premier plan. They are different rates. One of them is free and other two are paid. And talking about can we use the songs on YouTube or not, so here you can read what you will get with this account, like the basic plan, the pro plan, and the premier plan. So in the basic plan, non-commercial terms. So what are non-commercial terms? It means that you cannot use this sound on like monetized channel, like you will get copyright, and of course you cannot earn from this. If you use this, you will get copyright. And if you buy this from pro plan, so this is like you get general commercial terms, and in premier plan you'll get general commercial terms, which means that you can use if you buy the premium subscription of Suno AI. So if you want to use this music on YouTube, then you need to buy either pro plan or premier plan so that you can use the music. So that is the answer.